Court case got postponed to when?
It's not been rescheduled. So let me tell you guys exactly what's happened.
I just don't like the way I'm looking up at you right now. This is very no. It's no. It's,
what are you looking at?
Intrusive thought came into my head, and I was just sitting there. But continue with your conversation.
What?
Please continue. Denzel, please continue.
No, now you've said it like that. It's like, there you go. Right, so Grace, the lawyer, put a load of motions in on the day of the trial.
Okay.
So there's a motion to produce the gang tags for me and Jay, all incidents and investigative reports, because they quoted that they'd done an investigation to a Mandem drug ring. So that wasn't in it. So she says, "Where's this? Where's your investigation into the Mandem drug ring? I want to see the evidence." Names and contact information of the individuals the prosecution alleges were customers of Mr. Harper. So what the police did, they made a mistake by saying that they'd seen multiple people buying and selling off Jay that they could actually, they could get statements from. Obviously, I don't think the locals that he was selling stuff to are going to be very, contactable, but that's what the prosecution said they could do. Obviously, she's called upon that. And then the results of the subpoenas and bank records were never published, so they didn't publish anything that they found in the bank records and phone subpoenas, because I'll be honest, they found nothing. But they still need to publish that they found nothing, because after that, nothing else was added to the case. Also, a motion to sever, because they're basically taking my materials, car, and stuff that weren't even involved in the crime. That's going to be severed and done as a civil asset forfeiture case, because it shouldn't be, anything to do with this case. They're just trying to tie it all in. Just basically, the reason they've tied that all in is to make a plea deal look good. You know what I mean?
Right.
Then there's
you're not going to take the plea, of course, because I don't think they have enough on you. I think you can beat this case.
I mean, they're going to take why am I going to take a plea where they're going to say, okay, we won't seize your car, when the car shouldn't even be on the deal in the first place? You know what I mean? Right. Like, and then also, so the main one is a motion to suppress. The statement of probable cause in the search warrant for the People C hinges on information provided by a legal aid, Emerson Laurier, who was not authorized by her client, Mr. Wallace, to share that information with the PBSO. As Mr. Wallace's right to attorney-client privilege was violated by Ms. Laurier, the defense requests that all evidence gathered from the execution of the search warrant be suppressed. So basically, the legal aid has violated my attorney-client privilege and told the cop everything I said. And that's the only reason the search warrant to my property got signed.
So who is the legal aid? Did you literally tell everything you did to them?
No, I just but in the
either way,
in the case, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I could say that I could say that I killed Sam Baz in that fucking thing, and she shouldn't tell anybody that I'd said it. So
So
and
I mean, they're gonna keep the shit.
Oh no, they can keep it, but it might throw the whole case. And the thing is, as well, so that is actually in Bloom actually has put it in the report that she told him everything.
That's perfect.
So,
that's perfect.
But Reggie has said, the Seaside Reggie, the lawyer, he said that he will make sure that she never gets a bar license. Because it's just ridiculous.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of good that it happened in a sense of
who did that?
Emerson Laurier, her name is.
Emerson Laurier. Oh, yeah. After the case, she will be waterboarded.
Yeah, apparently somebody said that she wants to be a cop, and I guess that kind of all links in and makes sense.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. Also, so basically it's gone to a pre-trial hearing now where all of this is going to be discussed, and then it's going to be rescheduled. Strangely, though, Maya Mahmood has jumped in for the side of the prosecution to obviously go against me in court, which is very strange because she's had 2 months to do this. And, there might be a bit of a conflict of interest there, seeing as, she was telling me last time how she hates me because we chucked her out of a helicopter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she fell on the floor and I spat on